Yemen's Houthis said Friday it attacked the USS Harry S. Truman aircraft carrier and warships in the Red Sea with cruise missiles and drones during the past few hours in response to the U.S. airstrikes on Yemen. The operation came in response to the U.S. aggression against our country and its crimes against our people, Houthi military spokesperson Yemen Houthi said in a televised statement aired by Houthi-run Al Masirah TV, without disclosing whether it caused any damage. We confirm that the U.S. enemy has failed so far to affect our military capabilities, Houthi said, adding, "We will continue to perform our defensive duties on land and sea." The group said it has been targeting U.S. warships since mid-March, although the U.S. military has not confirmed any damage to the vessel. In the early hours of Friday, the U.S. military conducted 11 airstrikes on several locations in and around the Yemeni capital Sana'a. No casualties have been confirmed so far. Aircraft carriers are key elements in modern naval strategy, providing mobile platforms for projecting power far beyond national borders. Their primary missions include maintaining air superiority, striking land and sea targets, intelligence gathering, and coordinating military operations. The ability of aircraft carriers to deploy a diverse arsenal of fighters, bombers, and reconnaissance planes makes them indispensable in operations in areas with restricted access or without available infrastructure for land-based aircraft. They play a central role in humanitarian aid operations, evacuation, and demonstrating power, acting as symbols of national influence in international waters. On the other hand, aircraft carriers are complex and costly platforms that require significant resources for maintenance, protection, and logistics.